Kasi tayo ngayon sa Smiling Cove na naman. So try natin kung makakahuli tayo. Ano. Tingnan natin sa side na to kung may mga dumadaan na talakitok. Ay, yung portion na yun, doon tayo galing kanina, pero wala doon. So lumipat tayo dito. Linaw ng tubig, oh. Sa gabi lang maganda mag fishing dito kasi hindi daanan ng mga walang dumadaan ng mga boat. Pag umaga kasi naghahatid ng mga turista sa Managaha. Ayun, oh. Naghahatid sila dun. Tayo mga master. Ayan, oh. Ang haba na naman mga master. Fish on. Haba, oh. Tayo dito. Although may bato dito, pero bahala na kung sasabit tayo. Alright. Master fish on tayo. Emperor fish. Alright. Good size na rin. Si Andres Salabio pipising sila, daday. pa rin natin. Madagdagan to. So nakadalawa na tayong strike. Alright. Dali pa rin tayo. Inahabol niya, oh. Good size na rin. Dali pa rin natin sa kondom. Ayan. Okay, so nakaka-3 strike na tayo. Ano yan, tropical fishing. Hindi ko lang kung magkano per head nyan pag nagpi-fishing ka. Dati nasa mga $30 bawat isang ulo. Alright. How are you, my friend? Huh? What you mean no good? Already how many K already your video? It goes already 28K, no? 27? Puta, gonna go viral naman, ah. Very good, no? Oh shit. That's the one. Woo. wanna dive? Where's the one plenty Parakito dash 5? Show me fun. Oh, here? How can I reach there? What's called that? What's called condom?
On
What?
Ilocano angler here, guys. Right here. And look at this fish. He's catching stick.
Fast time?
1, 2, 3.
Only two. I caught the long one over there. Okay,
Ilocano angler. Master
oh,
running wheel.
hindi pa palatong. What you're aiming to catch now? Angon?
Yeah.
Angon. Yeah.
Nothing really here.
Huh?
Nothing really here. And Pampano. Oh yeah,
Pampano? Oh,
Pampano
yeah?
here.
Oh, shit. Yeah, pampano. And, what's that? The pataga. Among good for barbecue sa toma.
I'm gonna go. I bring my M boat because I don't want to get hit by the boat.
Yeah, so you buy your flag. Holy cow, look at that. There's Parakito chasing over there. Next, oh, shit. Holy cow, look at this. Oh shit, look at this. Oh, holy
Oh, here you go. See again.
Holy cow.
This guy finished my tarakito already.
Oh, plenty in the ocean, boy.
Already 2.
Yeah.
My gosh.
Holy cow, look at that, boy. Huh? Yeah, see? Almost already retrieving back eh. He chased the bait, so there you go. See, if you're lucky, no? Woo! A small one, good for frying.
Sinigang.
Sinigang, yeah. See? Oh, I get chance because see Andres Halabi is there. See, look at this guy. If this guy dive, no more fish. There. I freak out with the video of this guy.
What? No way.
Yeah. Holy cow, what's happening with my video? Continues, huh?
Continue going out.
Maybe somebody visit you, huh? Your good friend, no?
Good catch, good catch.
Yeah. Okay.
I have to go also because
Yeah, it's going low tide, right?
Huh?
Going low tide already, right? Yeah, it's good timing.
Getting high tide already.
Oh.
I'm already getting high tide.
There's one bluefin passed by a while ago here, from there. Big one, man.
We're gonna go get that one.
Yeah.
My neighbor's gonna ask. Ay, bye.
Kaibigan natin na ano, driver, si Andres Halabi. Don't make it really full, ah. Only half. Because if you make full your embot, gonna sink, right? Yeah. So do you know that there's diver underwater? Right, look at the gear of this guy. Yes, 3 feet fins. That's carbon fiber fins. And the spare gun. Carbon Allen also. Yeah, that's Rob Allen, right? Your Rob Allen. Alright, there you go. Then he's wearing his GoPro. Shout out to Andres Halabi. All the divers here in Sinway. Yo, yo. There he goes. That's the input. Where he puts his nuts. Free dive, man. Na tayo sa spot natin. Katatlo na tayo. Saka isang trumpet kanina. Ayun o. Alright, okay. Cast pa tayo. Mga 5 cast na lang siguro. Then alis na rin tayo. Okay lang guys. Nasabit na naman tayo. So hanggang dito na lang siguro yung pagpipishing natin. Hanggang sa muli. Okay.